Hello, this is September 5th. This is exactly 1 week against the initial inundation. Let's see, nothing has been done to clean up the area. As you can tell, the floor is still wet. I will demonstrate. I won't even go by the inundation. I will just go right here. Here's a Domino's pizza napkin. Place it on the ground. Floor is wet. And that is by this wall where the initial inundation is there. The wall here, updated from before. It's kind of grown a bit. We got water right there. As you can see, this is a dry Domino's pizza napkin. Just going to place it on the ground right there. And there you go. Wet. Let's see, this is very soaking wet. How long must I suffer like this?